Hey, I'm back for another Mortgage Tips in 90 Seconds, and today is a bit of a prequel to the last video. If you haven't watched it, go check it out after you've watched this one. And today we're going to talk about purchase property transfer tax. So the property transfer tax, or PTT, was introduced back in 1987. It was a temporary tax against the wealthy and real estate speculators, and I say that because it only applied to houses more than $200,000, which, believe it or not, was less than 5% of all home sales that year. As prices increase, so does the revenue. So the government is now keeping that and using it for things like education, housing initiatives, and healthcare. Now, the PTT gets applied to any purchase or transfer of ownership within BC. And why this is so important is because you can't roll this tax into your mortgage. It's something you have to pay out of pocket with your legal fees at the end of the day. So you need to make sure you have the funds available. There are some exceptions to the rule if you're a first-time home buyer or you're buying a newly constructed property within BC. Now, the tax is calculated in a couple different stages, make it nice and confusing for everybody. So, how it goes is it's first 1% of the first $200,000 and 2% on the balance between 200 and 2 million. So, a quick example, if you were to buy a house for $1.35 million, you'd be paying 2,000 plus the 23 for a grand total of $25,000. As mentioned, the tax is calculated in stages, whether that be 1, 2, 3, or then 2% again. It can be a little confusing. So there's going to link below to my mortgage app, which is totally free. It's got a calculator in there. All you have to do is punch in the price and it'll spit out the number back to you so you know exactly how much you'll need. As well, I want you to remember whether you're buying residential, commercial, or industrial, this tax applies to all properties across the board. There you have it. There's a quick introduction to the purchase property transfer tax in 90 seconds. I hope you liked it. If you have questions, leave comments. If there's other items you want to talk about or would like to see videos for, again, leave some comments. Let me know. I'm happy to do that for you. Talk to you soon.